shuffle step, and then a brush is with the ball of your foot. We're gonna brush across, and then we're gonna do this heel drop. We're gonna brush back and heel drop, and brush up and heel drop. All right, so let's try that together. Shuffle step, brush, heel, brush, heel, brush, heel. Then on the other foot, shuffle step, brush, heel, brush, heel, brush, heel. From the side, it looks like this. Shuffle step, brush, heel, brush, heel, brush, heel. Shuffle step, brush, heel, brush, heel, brush, heel. Let's try it from the back. And let's try it a little bit faster. 5,